In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dipstick on this Chevy Silverado. It's on the passenger side of the engine. Let's get into it. You can take the old dipstick, pull it out. You can wipe it off with a rag. Now take the new dipstick, line it up in the dipstick tube, and slide it down. You can double check your fluid, wipe it with a rag, and reinsert it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.